cut through. Oh, the scissors are much bigger. Now you smash. Now we both smash. Come on, we got this. We stop smashing. I think there's a surprise. Everyone's going to eat the popcorn. Now you keep smashing. Now stop smashing. No, let me chisel and paint.
Here we go.
No, not yet.
Not yet. Okay.
There, now you can hang. Whoa! Stop hammering. Now that.
Oh, what are you finding?
I think something's here. Come on, let's get it. I think I found something like so new there. I think I found a new rare dino. This is full of dinos, huh? We need the scissors. I hope I don't cut the dino.
With the hammer?
I got it. Now let me go and wash it. You stay right there. Okay, I'm trying it.
Okay, what is it?
It's a Dimorphodon, our first dino figure.
Oh, wow.
And put the dinos in the holidays. That's my side. And that's my bush. Oh, you can have the hammer. Oh, every joint smash. Every smash is
You ready?
a big hammer.
Here we go.
Hammer smash!
Again?
Yeah. Again.
Again?
I hope no dinosaurs do it. Okay, no more.
Something's right here.
It's blue again. It might be a Tyrannosaurus or something.
What'd you find, Connor?
Let's see.
Ooh, I see something.
Still need. You definitely need this hammer.
Should I hammer again?
Yeah, you hammer, but careful.
Watch out, Lucy.
It might hurt a little bit.
Lucy, watch out.
Watch out! Oh, careful not to break it. The chisel. It was in the box. It's going. Okay.
Ooh.
Oh, you can how much dino dirt.
Oh.
Don't smash. You don't want to break it.
All right.
Now you can smash, but not on the head.
Right here?
Yeah, careful not on the head. This dino egg Discover is so pretty.
Yes, so what are you doing right now?
Trying to get this dino out. It looks like a Parasaurolophus. I think it needs to be watered first and then you can smash.
Oh. Hey, before you do water, let's wait. I have an idea. Okay, you ready?
Yeah.
Let's do this. Ooh, oh, nope, wrong one. It's this one. No. It's this one. No. This one. Here.
It's going big if it doesn't have water. That is going back its whole self if it doesn't have water.
Can I hit it once?
No. No more hammering.
Okay, that's good.
Look at that. It changes color with the water. And then it looks like dino. Now stop. It needs a little painting. The final crab.
He's hatching. Oh!
Oh!
Oh, look at all
I missed it. Get it.
those. Ooh.
Wow.
Look how many more you have. Keep going.
I'm afraid that we crack. Oh, and this. I forget. I need a big smash, please.
Okay, where?
Right here.
Right there? working really good. Good job. Here we go.
2, 1, go. Let's cut the screwdriver out.
No, just move it back and forth.
Back and forth?
Good job. You did it.
Whoa!
You did it. You are so strong. Uh-oh. Good job. What's wrong, Everleigh? Oh, hi. Okay, you ready?
Careful not to splash.
Want to go again?
Yes, but don't splash.
Again?
Now like here. Again.
All right, Connor, I think we have 2 more. Look at those.
A pterodactyl.
We have 2 more stuck right in here. Can you get them out? You want me to hammer it once? You ready?
Yeah, you should.
go
But
right
careful
here.
not to splash.
Okay, here we go. Look at them all. Can you get them out? Can you get them out? Look.
Oh, and can you hammer this first?
Yes.
Be careful not to wake the dino. Oh!
All right. Look at all those dinos. Let's go wash them.
Yeah. Dad, you wash these ones. I wash these ones.
Let's go. Here we go.
Got all mine.
Here we go.
Okay. Now let's go. And see all of them in the box. And
Oh, you missed one. There.
I forget my pencil. Oh, look. Sorry, guys. I forget. These are a lot. Hey, you cut off these.
Yes.
Now let's go to the egg box. You cut off those.
All right.
Now we have to put them in a